ah, hindi ko naabutan yung walang undesirables, lalo na sa PNP. But we were able to attain the substantial number. Kung 100%, what's the substantial number? Like 90% and more. Imperfection, siguro we are in a imperfect society, so mortal, nasa mortal tayo na organisasyon. But just the same, we have to keep on trying because there's beauty and there's satisfaction in trying. And the desire, yung desire natin. We don't desire for material things. We don't desire for fame and honor. Kasi mga temporary lahat yan. Lalo na kung galing naman sa masasama. Galing sa nakaw, for instance. Na in the end, we know that we will be haunted. Puhulihin pa rin tayo in the end. So, bakit i-desire mo something that is unpleasant in the end? Diba? So, sabi ko sa mga police, you keep on, carry on the mandate of a law enforcer at don't stop. Kasi pag nag-stop kayo, it's the time for the criminals to flourish. At my family, I was jailed for 4.5 years. I am a PWD. So, kung bad weather na, ang matitira talaga sa'yo is the family. So, you have to nurture the family, you have to protect them. They are precious, they are gem. We have to take care of them. Dito sa bayang ito, nung araw, maraming salamat.